Alright, welcome back, and let's just make some edits to our project in Eclipse and see how it looks in GitHub, and then also make some changes in the GitHub so we can actually modify our code in GitHub, and then how do we actually, let's call it, pull those changes into Eclipse. So let's go to, for example, let's go to basics, and let's go to hello world. So we'll change the hello world program, and I'm going to just add another line, say system.out.println. I'm going to say I'm adding code to my project. Alright, now I'm going to save this, and very good. So I'm going to come to git bash. Again, I need to navigate to this folder, so I'm going to right click. Need to navigate to where our git folder is, which is here, right? So I need to navigate to this folder, and there's git bash. So cd shift insert, there we go, and I'm going to first type in git status, and it will show me that we have modified hello world.class and hello world.java. Okay, and very good. So that's letting us know we've modified some things. This is all that's been modified. So we want to add those files to our repository. Again, what's that process? Git add -a. Okay, again, I'm going to type in git status and say now we have moved these files. Now they're green, so they were red before because they were modified but we didn't do anything with them. Now they're in the staging area. Now we're going to commit them to our local repository, git commit m, and I'm going to say modified hello world app. Okay, good. Two files change, one insertion. We'll take a look at what that means. And again, type in git status, and we see that our local repository is up to date. Now what we want to do is push that local repository to GitHub. So again, git push origin master, and there we go. Good. Okay, so let's go to GitHub, and I'm going to refresh here, and then updated 31 seconds ago. Okay, so I'm going to open up the source folder and go to basics. There we go. First of all, we see that here's the message. This is the message when we did the commit. We said modified the hello world app. So I'm going to go into basics, and again we see that all these we see the message, and the message that we added was the hello world right here. I'm just going to click on this class here, and there we see hello of adding code to my project. So our GitHub repository has been updated, again using git add, commit, and push. Now what if we want to actually modify some code from GitHub and put that down onto Eclipse? So I can go into edit here. I can edit this file here, or someone can do this on their own machine. They can upload their own code to this repository. So this is just an example. We say, let's kind of go back and forth here, adding code from GitHub. Okay, and then I'm going to commit the changes. There we go. Okay, so good. Now when we come to Eclipse, nothing's changed, right? This is hello world.java. Nothing's changed here. I'm going to close this down again. Now I'm going to type in here git pull, and there we see that one file changed, and that command git pull should bring in our updated line adding code from GitHub. So there's more things I can show you about Git and GitHub, but I want to show you just the basics. There's other courses there about GitHub, and I can show you more videos, but for now I want to show you the basics, and this is kind of the extent how to make a change from basically your local to the remote, and then from the remote to the local. So those are the big differences here. So have some practice modifying code, especially from GitHub to your project. Again, that command was simply git pull, and that will bring any changes from your remote repository, and they'll bring them down to your local repository.